Do you want to create a massive platform, or do you want to keep it Lamps Media?
So what I want to do is solve a massive problem, and whatever that looks like is what I plan on doing. Solving the problem is that most wholesalers don't have time to focus on what matters most, which is generating revenue.
Yep.
They're so lost in the weeds, Strat, from where do I target data? Who do I buy it from? They don't keep track of their data purchases. They don't do any lead lifecycle management. Everybody's got shiny object syndrome in this space. So it's like squirrel. Okay, I'll try this provider. Okay, I'll try this provider. Okay, I'll try this provider. And then when it comes to even sourcing leads, they struggle to be able to do it correctly or find the right resource. And so they're spending 70% of their efforts on something that's not really going to generate revenue.
That's not revenue generating.
Yep. Yeah, it's all about closing deals. 100%. This whole industry, to be successful, is about sales acumen, in my opinion.
I think so. I mean, especially when you are at the front end, right? It's all about just top line, bro. Like, how can you get as much top line into that bitch as possible?
Yes.